Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's watch list review. We had a pretty short list this week. We had Baba to the bottom side and what is that, ExxonMobil to the upside. And I also had kind of as a bonus to watch Pepsi long. So let's take a look and see how these did. Don't believe I traded any of these. Uh, it's not because I don't believe in these trades. It's kind of been proven that most of these are decent trades and can get some big winners out of them. It's more the fact that I can't really control when they alert, and with my work schedule, a lot of times I'm in the middle of a meeting when they alert. So I just don't really follow them as closely. So um, I try to get in them what I can, but I tend to trade what's moving at that time when I do get in the trades. So we're looking for Baba to the downside. We're looking for a break below this inside candle here, which was 108.71. We got that break and we hit target one. So on the weekly chart, it looks like that's a good winner. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame and see how it looks. So here's Monday. Where was our 108.71? Was right. Go back and see right here, 108.71. I don't know why the line's not going all the way across. So 108.71 was our trigger, which was right about here. So if you got in, actually up here, if you got in right at the break at the open Monday morning, it actually wasn't Monday morning. I don't know why it's not putting that on here. So 108.71 right about here. So that was actually Wednesday morning when it triggered. If you got in on that break Wednesday morning, you could have almost hit target one. I think I probably would have moved my stops because you had a $4 move. 108, $3, but you had a $3 move. I think I would have taken some profit and moved my stop to break even at that point on the remaining, or I would have moved my stop to at least break even. So you shouldn't have lost any money on that one. And I know sometimes I say you don't move your stop until you hit target one, but when you have a $3 move, that to me warrants moving your stop. You know, even if you're playing the monthlies that expire next week, that $3 move is going to be pretty nice profits. So I wouldn't want to give that all back. So Baba was a winner. Even if you put your stop back at break even, I guess you would have got stopped out here. 108.71. Yeah, I guess you would have got stopped out right here. But another theory that I had was kind of working on was when you get an alert, and I again, because of my job and my time management or lack thereof, it's hard for me to do this, so I don't normally do it, but it's something that I've looked into. And I know I've mentioned it in previous videos. See how far away we are from this. This here is the 10 EMA. See how far away we are from the 10 EMA. Wait till it comes back up and touches or gets real close to the 10, and then you enter. And then look, there's your move. I realize that's how many hours later, 4, 5, 6 hours later. I mean, I could set alerts for it. To me, I have other trades that I can get in, and I'm not one that needs to trade all day. Today, I made one trade. I got in, what was it, SPY puts this morning, probably about 10:30. I was out. I actually think I got in at 10:45 and got out at 11. And that's the only trade I made all day. I hit my target, my daily target. I hit my weekly target. I'm done. Didn't make any other trades. So that's another reason why sometimes I don't trade these, because I already have my trade for the day. I made my money. I'm not going to be greedy, and I'm not going to try to give it back. Um, so that's BABA. XOM. Take a look at XOM. We'll look at the weekly. See what we were looking at on the weekly. We were looking for a break to the upside of 84.40. We got that. We took out targets 1 and 2. If we go down to the 60-minute, see how that looked. Go back to Monday. Right here's Monday. We broke it Monday, and then we pulled right back down. So, as much as I want to say this was a winner, you know, it probably wouldn't have been. You know, and like I said, other people in their videos will show you the weekly chart and will say, look how great this trade did. I break it down to the smaller time frame and say, let's be real. Would you have still been in it? And in this case, probably not. So, as great as this looked on the weekly chart, it doesn't look so great on the 60-minute chart, depending on where you had your stop. But I'm pretty sure I would have stopped out. Even if you would have got back in here on this break, it still would have pulled back, and you still probably would have stopped out. So it is what it is. Now this was kind of the flyer here, Pepsi. So we were looking for an upside on Pepsi. Here's the weekly chart. We got that upside. And I'm going to be honest with you, I don't remember why. Actually, I do remember why now. Let me see something here. Yeah, it's not even showing anything there. So, I'm going to have to go back and look and see what that scan looks for, what that alert looks for, to remember. I mean, I could do it right now. Real quick look at it. Heiken Ashi trend dots scan. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'll try to look it up over the weekend, and when I do my video for next week's watch list, I will talk about it then and explain what it was. Whatever it was, it worked. I should have put on here what the trigger was to get in. Oh, wait a second. Let me try something here. Nah, that wasn't it either. Unless it was a daily. Maybe I did it off the daily chart. And I'll explain these when I'm ready to, you know, more confident in it. It wasn't on the daily chart either. Huh. So anyway, it would have worked, whatever it was. I should have put more notes in there. I didn't want to put too much detail in here and then show everybody this, and people not understand what it was I was looking for, and then go in and it not work because I wasn't completely confident in that system. So that's why I didn't do that. But either way, it would have worked. I'm going to try to scan for the new system I'm looking at. Without going into too much detail, I'll show you what I traded today on SPY. I was using a 15-minute chart. My entry was right here. I got in right at the open of this candle, and I got out right at the open of this candle. I got out. Let me pull it up on my phone, and I'll show you exactly what. Well, I won't show you, but I'll tell you exactly what times I got in. In fact, I put it up on my Twitter, at OptionizerSS. If you want to take a look at my Twitter, I put it up earlier. What time I got in. So I bought two 4 to 53 calls for next week's expiration. I paid $1.58 each. I believe that's a $58.56. I can't really see it too well. $1.58, I believe it is. That was at 10:46 a.m. Eastern. At 10:54, 8 minutes later, I sold one of them at $1.91. And then the second one, I set I don't want to call it a trailing stop, but in a way it is kind of a trailing stop. It'll sell when a certain condition is met. And that one sold at 11 o'clock exactly for $2.18. So when you combine it, it worked out to 29%. So it was like $93 win. This account here is my smaller account I'm trading out of. I do have a second account that I actually had the same trade set up to automatically trigger and sell, and that one automatically triggered and sold for 39%. I could tell you when that one bought and sold. That one bought at 10:45 also. That was next week's 450 calls for $2.33, and it sold at 11 o'clock exactly for $3.26. So that one was also about $90 for that one contract. And I'm going in late because I'm still testing these. Once I get more confident in it, I'll add more contracts. In fact, the one in the small account that I did manually, I did 2 contracts where normally I would have did 1. So I'm getting more confident in it. I started a spreadsheet to kind of track the success of it, and it is actually it was actually about, I have to calculate it, but about 70% success rate this week. So anyway, I'm going to get going here, and I'll try to get some more information in the next video. See you later. Bye.